Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by clearing y equals and disabling stat plots so extra graphs don't interfere. Use the y equals editor to enter each piece as a separate in expression. For each piece, wrap the formula in parentheses, then multiply by the logical condition like x2 or x greater or equal to. For example, x2 plus 3x1, x greater or equal to. This builds a single expression, but you can also place pieces in different. Now refine the expressions so each piece is active only in its domain. Remember that x2 evaluates to 1 when true and 0 when false, so multiplying a formula by that condition hides it outside the interval. If you prefer separate y slots, enter one piece per slot and include its domain test in the expression. Then set window values to focus on boundary points and change XSCL for tick spacing. Once done, press Graph to preview and spot discontinuities. Finish by inspecting boundary behavior. Use Zoom 6 for standard viewing or manually tighten window around breakpoints to confirm left and right limits. Use Trace or Calc then value to evaluate expressions at endpoints. Make sure you test just left and just right of a break to see jumps or holes. If a piece doesn't show, reopen y equals and check parentheses and the logical test syntax. Missing parentheses or using comma instead of multiplication are common mistakes. That usually resolves display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.